In this video, we're looking at Canva AI, specifically how to use it to create stunning images, even if you've never used AI before. With Canva open, look for the Canva AI icon in the left side toolbar. Click to open it. You'll see a text box at the top, and this is where you'll write your prompt. Inside that box, there's also a plus sign and a circle. Hover over it, and you'll see Add Media. Clicking it opens the Add Media panel, starting in your Uploads folder. You can also choose from your designs or upload new images. This is useful if you want to give AI a reference image to work from. You'll also notice a microphone icon to speak your prompt instead of typing, and an arrow circle. We'll use that later. At the bottom, Canva AI offers 5 options. Design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, and create a video clip. For now, we'll choose create an image. Here's the golden rule. The more detail you include, the better your image. If you were to just type a dog in a park, you'll get a very generic picture. Instead, you might say, a fluffy, photorealistic golden retriever puppy playing with a medium-sized red bouncing ball in a sunny city park, golden hour lighting, cinematic style, as viewed by someone sitting on the ground. You could add even more detail if you want to fill that prompt box right up. Once your prompt is ready, you can choose from 19 styles or leave it as none to apply to your image. For aspect ratio, Canva defaults to 16:9 but offers 6 preset options. Different social platforms use different ratios, so pick the one that fits your project. When you're happy with your prompt, style, and aspect ratio, click the purple arrow circle to generate your image. Canva will quickly produce 4 images below the prompt box in the Your Images panel. You'll also see a coin icon showing your credits. Free users have 50 credits a month, and pro users 500 credits a month. Each image generation costs 1 credit, and you can click the icon to see when credits reset. From here, you can either download an image bottom left or click Edit bottom right to refine it. In edit mode, the left panel lets you select specific areas like the dog or ball. Use a brush to highlight parts to edit. Adjust both the foreground or background separately. Tweak the image with the Adjust panel here. Apply any of the Magic Studio options, along with filters, effects, or apps. Next, we go to the Image Upscaler app, which is a pro feature that can improve resolution for sharper, clearer images. Access Image Upscaler from the app's icon in the toolbar or in the Edit panel under Apps. Choose Image or Page, then pick your upscale amount 2, 4, or 8 times. Sometimes Canva will tell you the image is already high quality and doesn't need upscaling. The good news, the Upscaler doesn't use credits. Once you're happy, download your image back into your Uploads folder so you can use it in any project. And that's it. Canva really does take the fear out of using AI with its intuitive interface. Go ahead and use up all your credits. Whether you have 50 or 500, congratulations on making your first fantastic image with Canva AI. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.